In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Minecraft Discord server right from your mobile device. Before we dive into this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to join the official Minecraft Discord server right from your phone or your mobile device, first obviously open up Discord and then swipe to the left of wherever you're on to pull up all these servers right here. Scroll down to the very bottom of this page and there's going to be a little plus icon. Go ahead and select that plus icon and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and hit join server at the bottom and it's going to take you to an invite link page. From here, you don't actually need the invite link. You just need to type in the following. Type in Minecraft just like so, all lowercase, no spaces, and then hit join with invite link and it's going to take you to the official Minecraft invite. From here, simply go ahead and hit accept invite. It'll have you customize the server specific to your experience, and then you'll have to accept the rules and you'll be in the official Minecraft Discord server on mobile. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for even more quick guides just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.